Welcome to Chapter 5. This week we're focused on the closing process. The only topic I'll say we are not going to be addressing and we'll be saving for another time is topic 5.3. So you can skip that in the reading. The rest we will be covering: closing entries, the posting of those entries, and creation of the trial balance, and then completing the accounting cycle. This week also brings your first exam. It's going to cover chapters 1 through 5, meaning you should get through chapter 5's material before attempting it. It's going to be a mix of multiple choice questions and problems, just like your quizzes. We're going to take it completely on Canvas, again, just like your quizzes. I'll make sure to put in the Canvas technical assistance line just in case you have any issues while you are taking the exam in Canvas. And see the rest of my comments in our module for more specifics. But just know that that is happening this week. So you want to make sure you're getting through chapters 1 through 5, reviewing your notes, organizing your notes, because it will be open note and book. It's also going to be untimed, so you don't have to stress about having that timer counting down. It's going to open at the beginning of the week, and you have until the end of the week to turn it in. All right. With that, we'll start on chapter 5, so you can be prepared for that first exam.